Now guys, my requirement is convert the str1 to, right, convert the str1 text to all uppercase. Guys, what is my need? I want to convert my str1, right, and all of the letters should be converted to what? Uppercase. How we can do it? So guys, for that we need to look at that what kind of methods or what kind of operations we can apply on our string data, right? Because str is a string. So what kind of methods are given by Python so that we can use them? And what is my intention as of now? We just want to convert our string to uppercase. But how we can do it? Guys, our data type is str, right? Our data type is str. So my data type is str. Can I know that what methods I can use for str? Yes, we can find out that. For knowing the list of methods that you can apply on strings, guys, there is a command with the name dir. Listen guys carefully. There is a command with the name dir. And to the dir, if you give the data type, so as of now, my data type in which I'm interested is str. Guys, if you execute this statement, let's see what we get in the output. See guys, what we are getting in the output. We are getting a list of methods that you can apply on the str data type. That means you can apply all these methods on the strings. Can you see guys? Lot of methods we have. We have got a list here. Guys, you are not getting the list, just use a print statement. In case you are not able to get the list, guys, just use a print statement. Can you see guys? We have so many functions available that we can use. But what is my intention, guys? मेरा intention है that I want to convert the str1 to uppercase. Which function will help me in that? Which function can do the job for me? There are lots of, okay? But let's read out. Do we get something, guys, can you see? There is a function name with the name upper. Upper method is there. But guys, I have no idea how to use upper, right? I have no idea. I'm just new to Python, so I have no idea how to use upper. And even I'm not sure that will the upper do the job for me. So guys, if you want to know the specific details related to this function, how you have to do the job, guys, you have to use a command called help. And inside the help, guys, you have to give this detail like this: str, which is your data type, dot the function name upper. Are you guys getting it? And execute it. Then you will get the details of this specific function, that what it does. Can you see guys what we get on the console now? Guys, it says it return a copy of the string converted to uppercase. That means this is going to do a job for us. But guys, there is a catch in this document. Guys, it says copy. What does it mean? It says I will return a copy of the string, and that copy would be in the uppercase, right? So let's see guys what it is doing. So how we can use this function? अब इस function को use कैसे करेंगे? First we have to have the name of our string, so that is str1. Then I have to use dot, and then you have to call the upper. And guys, it's a method, so we have to use the parenthesis here. Right here, I did not use the parenthesis, right? I was interested in getting the documentation. Now I'm calling it, I'm applying that function on my str1. See guys what the output we get. Guys, can you see? Everything got converted to uppercase, right? But why it is saying that it returns a copy? Okay, let's see guys, we print the str1 again. हम यहाँ पे str1 को वापस से print करते हैं. Let's print the str1 again, guys. Can you see guys? str1 is as it is. That means this function did not change the original string. Original string is as it is. It just created a copy and gave the output on the console, guys. इसका मतलब upper method or any function, right? Guys, upper method or any function that you can see here, all of these methods will change the copy only. They will not never change the original string. Okay, they will never change the original string. Okay, why so? Okay, let me understand that. Guys, you know that you can access the first letter of your str1 using this index, right? And as of now, this is capital F. Everybody knows it, right? We can print it even. Now, guys, I want to overwrite. I want to change this capital F to small f. Listen, guys, carefully. I want to change this capital F, uppercase F, to a lowercase f. So how I can do that? I can make an assignment like that. Are you getting this, guys? So what it will do, it will try to replace what you have at index 0 with the new letter, which is lowercase f. Let's run this, okay? So guys, we select this statement and run it. We get an error. There is an error, guys. What the error is? Let's see. Read it out. The error says the str object does not support item assignment. What does it mean? Guys, it means that once your string is initialized, you cannot change it. Once your string has been initialized, once your string has been declared, you can't change it. That means strings are read-only, guys. That means strings are read-only. And there is a specific term for read-only stuff in Python that is called as immutable. What do you call it, guys? Immutable. That means strings are read-only. That means strings are immutable. Once initialized, you can't change it. That's why this function upper was changing the copy only. It was not able to change the original string. Guys, is that clear, guys, that strings are read-only? And any function that you apply on the string, they will just change a copy of it. They will not change the original string. Are you guys clear about it? Right? One thing you can do, guys, one thing you can do, maybe you can, take the output of this function in a str2, right, guys? So now you have the new string in str2, which is completely uppercase. Okay, sometimes you can do this as well, guys. Rather than storing in str2, you store in str1 again. That means now you are trying to replace it, and this works. This works. What happened, guys? Now you will see that everything is uppercase. What does it mean? So let's see, guys, what is happening in the memory. So guys, see here what happens in Python in memory management. See, guys, let's say this is our memory, guys. Okay. And we have done this statement str1 is equal to fosc coding school, right? This was the case. So as we execute this statement, guys, what will happen? There is a memory allocated, and inside that memory, this text is stored. So we have this text now, guys, fosc coding school, right? And now we have a reference to this memory location with the name str1. So str1 is just working as a reference. Are you getting this, guys? And now, guys, when you do this statement, str1 is equal to str1 dot upper, what happens in this case? First, this job would be done. So what would be the case? This function will create a copy of this and convert everything into uppercase. So kya hua ab is case mein? Now we have this, guys, fosc coding, everything uppercase, right? Like that is there. So this is the job done by upper. And now because of this assignment, what will happen, guys? Now str1 will refer to this memory location, not this. That means you lost this location now. You can't access it back. Now your str1 is pointing to the new location. And that's why, this statement is working with us. Guys, are you clear about this? What happened in terms of memory management, that how come you have changed the reference? Are you guys clear about it? Let me know, please. Okay, people are saying yes, that's good. Karan, Anuja, Shivani, okay, Shivalika, a lot of people there. That's cool, guys. Rohan, yeah. So, so Sajan, yes, it was a copy, but now we have just, we have just changed the reference. It's a kind of a pointer, right? So earlier it was pointing to that original listing, but now it points to the new location. But still, you could not make any changes here, right? Still, no changes are allowed here. Oshi, are you getting this? Just a pointer address changed. Earlier, the pointer was pointing to some other address. Now it points to a new address in terms of C programming understanding, at least. So still that part is immutable. वो अभी भी read only Oshi, right? Okay. Now, guys, with this upper example, now you can understand that how to use these functions. You can call any function, right? Yeah, Hari, as of now, you can store the output in str2. So you can have as this. So best idea is this: you have this str1, Harry, and then you store it in str2. That's it. So no issues. This is there. Now, guys, you can call any function this way, right? You can call lower, you can call other functions as well. So how you will call the lower one? So str1 dot lower, and then having this. Can you see, guys? Everything gets converted into a lowercase. That is there.